A Shopping Website Guide. Chapter 1. Shopping Websites. Major shopping websites. ActiveBuyersGuide.com. AlternativeRealms.com. An alternative shopping experience for alternative people. as-seen-on-tv-compare.com. Bargainsapp.net. BeatThat.com. Become.com. BestChoiceStore.com. BestonLineShoppingSite.info. best-price.com. bizrate.com. buy.com. buyersindex.com. Buyers Index searches 19,000 websites and catalogs for the product you seek. consumerzarch.com. mll.com. findandcompare.com. findhere.org. findmall.com. froeagle.com. guidaviews.com. internetmall.com. iwantoneofthose.com. malls.com. monstermarketplace.com. online4bargains.com. onlineshoppingchoices.info. onsale.com. pricegrabber.com. pricegrammar.com. pronto.com. reviewcenter.com. shop.com. shopforproductonline.info. shopnow.com. shopping.com. shoppingchief.com. shoppingdirectory.us, shopping directory. shopzilla.com. stillmadeintheusa.com. thefind.com. thisnext.com. worldmall.com. Charitable shopping websites / charity shopping websites. Do good by shopping on these websites, which donate part of the proceeds. 4charity.com. causelink.com. cbid.com. shopgoodwill.com, a charity that helps the poor. charitableWay.com. charitycounts.com. charitygift.com. charitymall.com. communitybids.com. donationmarketplace.com. donornet.com. ebay.com/charity. give.org. giveforchange.com. givemeaning.com. greatergood.com. heifer.org, 800-422-0755. helping.org. greatergood.com. helpschildren.com. iCharity.net. iGive.com. iHelpSupport.com. iReachOut.com. JustGive.org. membership4u.com. mycause.com. npsmall.com. sc.com. schoolpop.com. shop2bless.com. shop2give.com. shop4change.com. shopforschool.com. shopforchange.com. shopgenerosity.com. soldabsolute.com. thehungersite.com. up4sale.com. webcharity.com. workingforchange.com. worth.com, giving icon. yardsalenit.com. Chapter 2. Shopping Websites. Shopping Website Info. Check to see whether the retailers you are going to have online coupons, which you can print and bring to the store for quick savings. If you have a smartphone, take it with you shopping. You can check on X/Twitter well as search online for the best price. Ask them if they have any bargains, deals, or liquidation merchandise. Try number 640.73 or TX 335-356 at the library. Shopping Websites 1. 123buys.com. 123emalls.com. 1866camcorder.com. 1amerinmall.com. 1mall.com. 1saleaday.com. 1stshopingonline.com 21stcentrydropshop.com 21stcentryplaza.com 247malls.com 24buy.net 24hourmall.com 2kstore.com 37.com 49tips.com/shopping-tips.html 4sale4now.com 88malls.com AAA closeoutsnetwork.com A